The OCR and Translate feature is available for customers who have purchased the Kaptivo Enterprise model or an enterprise level subscription. It requires Kaptivo firmware version 3.20 or higher. If your units are set to auto-update, then they will automatically install the latest software. Otherwise, the firmware can be found on the Kaptivo support site and manually updated. The OCR and Translate feature can be enabled or disabled for a whole fleet of Kaptivos via the Kaptivo Insight Management Portal. By default, the OCR and Translate feature is not activated. This feature can only be used if it is explicitly turned on by a Kaptivo administrator. The OCR and Translate feature makes use of cloud services provided by Microsoft and Google respectively. Before enabling this feature, a Kaptivo administrator must accept the new Kaptivo Terms of Service. These contain links to Microsoft and Google terms and conditions for more information if required. Alternatively, it can be enabled or disabled on a per-device basis via the setup interface, accessed via kaptivo.com/setup.